Hello friends, Curiosity Soul 4561, Must Camera, Must Cam, Hazard Avoidance Camera, HazCam, and Navigation Camera, NavCam. These images were taken by Mustcam, HazCam, and NavCam on board NASA's Mars rover Curiosity. Curiosity Mars rover captured most of these images on 4561st Martin Day or soul of the Curiosity rover mission on Mars. These images captured by Mars rover on 5th June 2025. All these image credits NASA JPL Caltech MSSS. NASA's Curiosity rover is a car-sized robotic explorer on Mars, part of the Mars Science Laboratory mission. It landed on Mars in August 2012 and has been exploring Gale Crater and Mount Sharp, searching for the evidence of past habitability and the presence of organic molecules. The mountain is inside of Gale Crater formed by ancient asteroid impact. As of June 2025, NASA's Mars rover Curiosity is located in the Gale crater on Mars, exploring and tracking the foothill of Mount Sharp on the red planet Mars. Curiosity was built by NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory, which is managed by Caltech in Pasadena, California. JPL leads the mission on behalf of NASA's Science Mission Directorate in Washington. Marine Space Science Systems in San Diego build and operate MustCam. A key objective for Curiosity's mission on Mars is astrobiology, including the search for signs of ancient microbial life. The rover will characterize the planet's geology and past climate, pave the way for human exploration of the red planet. The Mars Perseverance and Mars Curiosity mission are the part of NASA's Moon to Mars exploration approach, which includes Artemis mission to the Moon that will help prepare for human exploration of the red planet. NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory, which is managed for the agency by Caltech in Pasadena, California, built and manages operation of the Mars Perseverance rover and Mars Curiosity rover. Let me tell you again that all these image credits NASA, JPL, Caltech, MSSS, and Curiosity Mars rover captured most of these images on 4561st Martin Day or soul of the Curiosity rover mission on Mars, and Curiosity Mars rover captured these images on 5th June 2025.